Do you need to quickly estimate the weight of a wood pole for a project? Here's how to use LED Lens Supply's Wood Pole Weight Estimator Calculator. Start by selecting your wood type, such as Douglas fir, southern yellow pine, western red cedar, or another type of pine. Next, choose the pole class. This is based on ANSI standards and determines the pole strength and load-bearing capacity. If you're unsure which class to use, you can reference the ANSI chart seen below the calculator inputs or connect with a project expert for more guidance. Then, enter the pole length. The length will depend on your specific application, including factors like mountain height, boreal depth, and surrounded terrain. After that, input the number of poles you plan to install. If your project includes multiple pole types, you can easily add more by clicking the plus button to include different species, classes, or lengths in one calculation. The calculator will then estimate both the individual pole weight and the total weight, helping you plan for installation. Once everything is entered, click Calculate to get your estimated weight. Just keep in mind that actual weight can vary depending on moisture and treatment. For a more tailored recommendation, you can always reach out to an LED Lens Supply product expert for help with your project. Thank you for watching and stay in the light.